Hello everybody, welcome back. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Putu Sudarmayasa, student faculty, lecture and culture, State University of Gorontalo. I have the tips, learn listening for the easy to understand. Before that, I give the reason why is listening so difficult and important. Listening is one of the process learning. The method essential part of English education as a subject, special for senior high school. It simulates the other skills such as the writing, reading, and speaking. Listening is very important skill because it is the most widely used in the daily life. Learning listening will help us to improve about the hearing skill with the native speaker and can predict what the native speaker say. Teaching the method listening skill process. First, make group activities for the student. Learn the process. Let's group activities also serve for as the helpful the methods for the teaching listening skill to the students. You can begin with the simple group activity for the first part. Divide your student into groups of 5 or the less and instruct them to learn one hobby or interest of at least two other group members. Encourage them to ask clarifying questions during the activity and you may allow them to make the notes. The second, video segments. Another helpful resource for the teaching listening skill are the video segments. Include short sketches, news programs, documentary films, interview segment, and dramatic and comedy material as with the audio segment. Select the portion and length segment based on the skill level of your student. The last is about the discussion process with your student. Make the flashback. After tell your student like a story or playing a segment music, radio or movie programs. To make this activity more difficult, choose a story that began in the middle or one of that consists of the flashback, the event of the story, or tell about the chronological of the story. After the story and ask the student to respond through order of event this. The methods activity can be an oral group to the make exercise or by individual. And then the second about the fill the blanks. Provide one audio about the story or whatever that and give the instruction about the following text box that has the sentence with is the containing missing words, and then after that ask the student to fulfill the missing word from the audio that they listen, and when the student have done, make the rules like makes the exchange your student answer to answer together with, and then instruction with your student construction about give the mark about the tick when the answer is true, and then cross when the answer is wrong. And after that, that is have done, and your listening process when your teaching is have already good. Thank you.